Hey, welcome to the Blue Lagoon in Port Antonio, Jamaica. This is not a mystery, this is real. Yours truly, Wellesley Gayle from My-Island-Jamaica.com. I'm here hosted by my friend Michael from Moonsan Villa, Greg and Donna and Kelly and all of them. We're actually here on the lagoon. This is a lagoon that's said to be 213 feet deep. We're on the African Star. African Star is the name of the boat.
African Star.
African Star, yep. African Star. This is yeah, you can see it's really majestic, as you can see. We have toured Monkey Island, and Monkey Island is a real place, by the way. It is a real place. We've been there. We've toured, we have been around here several circles. We went to the mineral spring up in the distance, and we're back here on the Blue Lagoon. We've taken pictures. I'll be sharing some of those with you. But this is the Blue Lagoon, and if you come to Jamaica, those of you who are outside of Jamaica, you must visit the Blue Lagoon. Nature at its best. 213 feet deep. 213 feet deep. You can translate it into meters, but this is real, this is nice, this is beauty. Right there again is Mineral Springs. You would have probably seen the video earlier. Up there, natural running all the way from the Blue Mountains into the Mineral Spring. Lots of tourists come here daily to enjoy not just the scenery, but the tranquility and therapeutic values of the Mineral Spring. This is great, this is great, this is great. I've heard about it. I've had friends who have been here. I have my writers wrote about it, but this is actually my first experience on the Blue Lagoon in Port Antonio, Jamaica. Forgive me there, not Montego Bay, but Port Antonio, Jamaica. Right, so this is great. And again, guess what? Nature is at its best because rain, again, there's a little drizzle coming, and so we're enjoying every single moment of it. So this is great, this is great. We're going back in on the dock, but I just wanted to share some of the sights and sounds of the Blue Lagoon, Port Antonio, Jamaica, courtesy of my friends from Moonsan Villa, Michael, Greg and the rest of the guys. Wonderful tour. We love it, we love it, we love it. My wife was here with me. Hello, hello, hello. Come on, don't be shy of me, come. Alright, this is great, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and come back and watch more amazing videos of My Island Jamaica. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.